video. Remember that time when I showed you, when I told you guys, I'm going to make a video about how to make your panzoid intros not lag. And right now this is the video, so enough talk. Let's get into this video now. First, you're going to want to go to Chrome. Click on Chrome. Okay, I'm only in panzoid, but just search up panzoid. Click Clip Maker. And there's a lot of intros you can make. Okay, I already got intro. So, and then if you don't want your 3D intro, you're gonna want to go down, click download. Okay, click start, and then it should come out like this. And nobody wants that lag. So, you're gonna want to go to Google Play Store. Why do I have two? Let's go to Google Play Store. Search up Video Converter. If you find this one, click on it and click open. Okay. I click open. It's the same one that is that the other one is the same one that this one. It's the same one as this one, but different. So I always make 3 intros. You're gonna want to click on Video Converter. Click the intro you want. But I already got my video, my intro, and it should come out like this. And there, that's how they make your intros not lag. Because when I first, I was like, I searched up how to make 3D intro. Then panzoid came up, so I went on panzoid. I did the intros, and the intros were laggy. I didn't know what to do. I didn't, but that time I didn't think of searching up how to stop lag, and then I stopped this lag. Big shout out to hold on, let me find them. Big shout out to this man that helped me not make my panzoids laggy. Thanks. I'm gonna subscribe to you because you are the best. Keep up the good work. Bye guys. Okay. Bye guys. Hope you guys have a good day. I know this is gonna be at nighttime because I fell asleep. I was awake in the morning and then I fell asleep in the morning because I was it's a long story. Just bye guys.